What's up, guys? Welcome to my kitchen. I am going to be cooking in my old kitchen for the very first time. So I wanted to take you guys with me today. I just went to the market and I got some stuff. So I'm gonna be like just basically taking out these stuff and so forth, and then we're gonna start cooking. So let's do that. My last video I said I wanted to try the Old Bay, so I finally got it. In another video I'm going to do like a how much I spent on groceries and so forth video, so that you guys could see like the prices and what it's like living in Belize, and then you guys could probably just compare it to your countries and like see if it's cheaper, if it's more expensive, or if it's like reasonable. I got these two glasses from Brody's. This was for $5 and well, $4.95, and they're really cute. I feel like they're just great for like a nice wine. We got these two from Dubai for $3. So got some banana. I'm gonna cook this with some curry chicken and dumplings later. Sweet peppers, onion, garlic, and just stuff for the house in general. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Let's make this curry chicken and dumpling. Bye.